Hi everyone. Um, Today I'm continuing with the rewriting my application called Pills.Kit. For those who don't know, it is the pills management application, and almost 5 years ago I have developed it. The first version was made within 1 week from zero to the App Store, and 5 years ago I have chosen the UI kit as a primary framework, and now I decided that it is time to upgrade and to move to the SwiftUI. So yesterday I have completed onboarding screens, and now I'm going to work on the sign-in screen. So this is the storyboard of the existing sign-in screen, and I will make the same screen but using a SwiftUI. So I have already created the view and view model class for the sign in, and I have added the icon already, and let's wait for the canvas to refresh the view. Waiting. Yes, here it is. This is the icon of the application. Um, let's check the how it looks on the dark mode. Here it is. This is how it looks on dark mode, and so we have a vertical stack. Now it has an image. By the way, if you didn't know, in order to make the image a smaller size than it is, because this icon actually has I don't remember, but it is quite huge. And if we remove the resizable modifier, then we will have something like this. And actually, if you see this frame, it is 130 points height, and width is bigger than the screen width. So in order to make it smaller, we always need to make it resizable. A resizable modifier has two params. One of them is resizing mode, and by default it is stretch. The other one is tilt. Stretch, resizing mode, we can tile. Yeah, tile. So tile, I don't know if anyone needs this, but tile will cut the our entire image to the frame that is defined. So resizing mode, let's make it tile and see what happens, just in case anyone wonders. Why this black screen? Because something gone wrong. Oh, okay, I know what's wrong. Because because of the dark mode, we just don't see the image, the result of the resizing mode. Yeah, so this is the part of the image that we have. So if we stretch or use a default resizing mode for resizable modifier, then we will have a image sized to fit the frame that we have defined. That's it. So now we need to have a text view that is let's check what do we have in view controller. This is sign in to save your pills across all your devices, and it is localized, and in order to localize we need to import the localized Swift library. I use it to simplify localizations, and currently my app localized to 3 languages. It is English, Ukrainian and Russian. So this text should be bold, and there is a modifier for the text view that is called bold, and text color should remain dark for the light theme, dark appearance. Let's check what we have for the dark appearance. But I believe that we need to have font size. Title 2, and let's add some paddings, and let's check what we have in the result. Now, as you see, the text is centered by the leading. So in order to align it in the center, we need to use a multi-line text alignment modifier and pass center as a text alignment. Now what should we have is two buttons to sign in with Apple and sign in with Google. In order to sign in with Apple, I will use sign in with Apple button, and in order to use sign in with Apple button, we need to import authentication services. That's first. Then I have used a code from the other my project, so I just need to follow up what we have there. So configure as a public function that will actually make a configuration to sign in with Apple. In order to sign in with Apple, we need to generate nonce, random nonce string, and current nonce is a private variable, nullable string. Now what else we need? We need a CHA function. And we need to import the Pills.Kit, and that's all for the configure. Now sign in with Apple button. What is continue? Continue is yeah, it's a label for the button. Why it doesn't recognize it? Okay, maybe we need to have fixed the other errors. So color scheme that is environment variable, and the view model should have a handle authorization function method, and we just edit, and Firebase user is is a variable here. And we need also import Firebase aus. This is actually what I use to authenticate users. So user interactor is from the other project, and I don't have interactor yet, so I just need to get the user by the user ID, just as I do here probably. So what do I do? Quite old code that, okay, this is the logic after the signing is successful. Need to transfer it here. Auth result, yeah. Okay, so let's just move this logic in here and combine with the so mk progress we remove, we do not use this. Show alert is probably will be a published variable to subscribe inside view, and we will I think we need to have a error message, and error message, yeah, localized description, and show alert toggle. This we remove this we don't need, and import localized Swift, and error message, this one goes here, and show alert toggle. And now we need to import SwiftUI. This is something that is left from, I'd rather say it is legacy code, but I will deal with it later when I do refactor. And now this one I need to remove, and end. SwiftUI function that will actually load everything. What? Federated host provider? What? Let me check. Sign in. Credential is Google host provider. Okay. It's Google email. Where is? Okay, here it is. About credential result error. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Apple credential ID token row nonce full name. It is very strange. Okay, we need to have one more show main flag boom, and we have here show main toggle, and the same here. Why does Trail enclosure passed parameter of type. Okay, so where is this trail enclosure? Probably it is somewhere. House. Sign in. Credential. House result. Error. So what's wrong? Okay, something is here. User current. We get the current user, and if there is no user, we create it, and then we load the user. What? Okay, that was the problem probably. Load reminders. Sign in view controller. Where are the reminders? Okay, here we go. Kits, boxes, reminders. Dispatch group. This one. Okay. We show the error here. Here it is. Okay, good to go. just uh, sign in Apple button ID, sign in Apple button ID, just simple UID, UID string, yeah, and not sure. See what button. Okay, this is probably the the extension or something like this. Sign in with Apple button. Okay, I got it. I have created a long time ago the custom sign in with Apple button, that is UIKit component, and now it is has the same name as the original component from the SwiftUI. God damn it. So social media button has button title text view that has foreground style as primary, but button itself tinted as a default blue color. Yeah, I miss the image for the Google social network. Need to find it in the assets. Should I add the email email login, the way of how user can log in, whether it should support email or not? Um, Not sure, but it can extend the abilities. So basically, This is it. Two buttons. I will make the logic behind the scenes, but this is how it is quite simple to do the redesign and actually make a design with the UI, SwiftUI. It is very simple, very straightforward, and as for me, is better way than UI Kit has. So we'll continue later on this.